Hello friends, welcome at our channel Ravikant RK Production. Today our topic is how to write text in arc format or arc shape in AutoCAD. So for this you have to take arc or any circle. For example, we took here arc and take the command ARCTEXT, arc text. You have to take this command and then select the arc. I am selecting the arc and this dialog box will be open. In this dialog box you have to write the text here. Your text you have to write here. For example, I am writing now Ravikant RK Production. I will type this text here, and after that this is the text height. How much height you want to put for the text you have to mention here, and any changes if you want you have to do here, and then OK, and you can see your text will be like this. And if you want to edit by double click, this will not work. You have to go again in same command ARCTEXT, same command you have to type and select the text, then you can edit this. And here there are a lot of formats, a lot of systems you can edit or use these commands. So for example, if you want to reverse this text, just click here and then OK, you will see your text is reverse. Okay, so I don't need like this, so I will again select my this command ARCTEXT. I will select the text and again go to format and click this. So my text is OK now. So you can see like this we can edit a lot. For example, if you want your text down, you can click this and your text will come down from this arc. And if you want to up, then simple, you can click here and your text will be up. So you can edit and you can make your text in arc or in circular shape like this. And here there are a lot of commands in this dialog box. You can see you can make your text very simple and stylish. You can change the text style also from here, and as I told you, you can change the text height also. Now I am changing the text style, any style if you want you can select that and press OK, and your text will be appear here like this in arc or in circle shape. Anything which you want you can do. I am again telling you, command name is ARCTEXT. Arc text is the command, and this command you can use in AutoCAD for make your text in arc format or in circle format. Anything you can make your text. So if you like this video, please like, comment and share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.